Got two eyes right here and shit.
Okay, Adrian, hold on. Blindfolded, on skateboard, trying to go up ramp.
Oh, you're over there, right?
Or table.
No, he's filming the map.
Alright, go, Adrian.
Oh, help me.
Bob, crack. Okay, come backwards. Come back. Oh shit, get there. Get on.
Wrong way. You're backwards.
It's even better if he's backwards.
No, it isn't. Not for me, son of a bitch.
Just put that foot over more. Are you filming this, Andrew?
Yeah.
Hey, you can look up though. Look at that.
Go up. You suck. Was I in your crotch? Yes. I can see again. I can see again.
Move, Red.
There's kind of shit here. Oh.
Are you good?
Oh shit, dude.
Can you see?
I do, barely.
Come on.
Why are you looking?
I don't know.
Alright, ready?
No. There, now we go. I never fucking ready.
Into his shoulder.
With the shoulder.
You wanna try to get Adrian?
Ah, this shit works. Shit hurts. Adrian.
Any comments?
This sucks.
Show your wound, the sexy.
That shit's just, I've been landing on it the entire time.
Oh, the battle scar.
The battle scar.
Oh, let me rip off the skin. Oh, that just fell off. That's not even part of me anymore. Fuck.
How much does it suck, Adrian?
What?
How much does it suck?
Scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah.
20.
Don't do it, right?
Well, there we have it.
Hey.